Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. We are on week 3 of our virtual summer reading program, and this week we are talking about reptiles and amphibians. And the craft that you're going to make today is based on an animal I bet you have seen a lot of here in Central Florida. We are going to make turtles. He's so cute, isn't he? All right, so what you have there in front of you in your envelope marked week 3 is one sheet of bright green construction paper, 2 paper plates, and a pair of googly eyes, because of course he needs googly eyes. And you also have the instructions on how to do it step by step. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your construction paper and you're going to cut it into 3 equally sized strips lengthwise, and then you will lay down one of your plates. Actually, put your plates together first. I'm jumping ahead of myself. And you're going to cut out just a semicircle right here like this for where his little head pokes out. All right, so now that you've done that, you're going to take your 3 strips, and as you can see in this cool little diagram that Miss Mary created, you will lay your legs across and you'll glue those down, and then you'll have your other strip, which you will cut into kind of a circle at one end, and then his tail at the other, and you'll put those underneath the legs so they stay in place. Now your top half, you can decorate it however you like. I used watercolors to paint the top of his shell, but you could be very creative and make whatever kind of turtle you would like. Once you have painted that, you'll just line up where the cuts are, and then you'll just glue the whole thing down. Put your googly eyes on his face, and I drew a cute little smile on him, and then voila! You have your own little turtle pal. I hope you enjoyed this week's craft. I can't wait for you to come back for week 4 when we will be talking about big cats. I'll see you then. Bye.